Hi, welcome back to my channel. And if you are a host or you're hosting on any platform, any video chatting or live stream platform, then looking your best is the key to attracting more users or more viewers and engaging with them. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some tips, some professional tips. Yeah. Let's get started. Well, the first step is a good lightning device, lightning tones, a good one at that. A good lightning is everything. That's why it is one of the necessary tones or items you'll be needing for live stream or video chatting. And on my first video, or one of the first videos I mentioned about getting a ring light. And then not just you getting it, it's also you knowing how to use it. So it is advisable for you to use a soft light. Get just this small light, and then don't put your lights in high volume. Just small, reduce, just soft, make it soft. You And then second one, we have the camera angle. Sometimes most of you do not even know how to position your phone properly. Just imagine you enter someone's live stream and then the person camera is above their head. What exactly did I come to see in your broadcast? Your head? You have to picture or position your phone, your camera to your face, depending on what you want to even show the users. Third one is makeup. Yeah, even if you will not accept it, makeup is also necessary. My sister carry that lip gloss. I mean, a lip gloss. You would come to live stream, and then the next you'll be seeing is one dry lips. Wetin happen? Makeup is essential. If anybody will not tell you, let me tell you. So when I spoke about makeup, it doesn't really have to be much. It's not a wedding. Lipstick, eyeliner, lip gloss is okay, but most importantly, this mouth that you would use to sweet talk your users, try and decorate it. And then put wig, my sister. You are a woman, put wig. Try and moisturize your skin. Let that skin glow. Let it blind people's eye. Also put on wigs. Make good hair. It's going to add up to your presentation. It's going to add up to your looks. Like I said, the first thing your users are seeing immediately they get into your broadcast is you. What impression are you giving to them? The fourth one we have is outfit choice. Wear something that you would want people to know you for, even without you telling them that, oh, this is what I can do, this is what my brand is all about. Your outfit will do the talking. You are a lady, look good, look cute, look demure. So I'm a sexy ballet dancer, and then I call you, or I come to your live stream and then I see you're wearing agbada. So the next one is body language and confidence. I mean, I understand the fact that when you're starting this journey, you don't really, you become, you, if you're a shy type, yeah, you have to, it's going to take you time. Like, it's basically going to take you time to adjust or adapt to live streaming thing. But then again, your body language also matters as well. Sit comfortably, sit right, focus on your camera, focus on the users. You cannot be on live stream and then your attention is somewhere else. Even at all, your attention want to be somewhere else. Don't make it obvious. From time to time, always try to fall back to your live stream. But anyway, if you find this video helpful, please do where to like, share, and if you have any question, yeah, I'm here to help out. So drop them on my comment section, and then see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Yeah. Bye bye.